Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The compound has a central quaternary carbon bearing two methyl groups, one above, one below, connected to a CH3 on the left and a CH is equal to CH2 on the right. This gives the full carbon skeleton, CH3, C, CH3, 2CH is equal to CH2, which has 4 carbons in the longest chain containing the double bond plus 2 methyl substituents. Moving on to the next step. Identify the longest carbon chain containing the double bond. The chain is CH2 is equal to CHC, CH3, 2CH3. Counting, C1 is equal to CH2, C2 is equal to CH, C3 is equal to C, CH3, 2, C4 is equal to CH3. This is a 4-carbon chain, butene, with a double bond starting at C1. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain to give the double bond the lowest locant. Numbering from the CH2 is equal to end, double bond is at C1, but 1-ene. The 2 methyl substituents are both on C3. And for the final step. But 1-ene. Substituents, 2 methyl groups at C3, 3-dimethyl. Full name, 3-dimethyl but 1-ene. Eliminate incorrect options. A. 3-trimethyl prop-1-ene. Prop-1-ene has only 3 carbons. 3 methyls at C3 of a 3-carbon chain would give 6 carbons total. Incorrect structure. B. 1-1-1-trimethyl prop-2-ene. Same issue with carbon count and numbering. D. 2-dimethyl but 3-ene. Numbering from the wrong end, this would place the double bond at C3 but lowest locant rule requires numbering from the end nearest the double bond, giving but 1-ene not but 3-ene. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.